Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Make Money Online tutorial video edition with your boy Daniel Anthony. And in today's video, as you can see right now, I am on the YouTube homepage. That's because I want to talk about YouTubing or YouTube content creation briefly, and you at the end of the day get a clearer picture of what YouTube content creation is all about, and if it's something you need to put into consideration, or if it's something you can actually venture into as a business. Well, without wasting much of our time, or without wasting much of your time, YouTube content creation is a business. Aside when I started YouTube, or before I even ventured into YouTube content creation, I was kind of thinking that all of this content you find here on YouTube to watch were being published by YouTube as a platform itself. Or I was kind of thinking that YouTube pays people, or YouTube pays content creators to create this content, then send it back to them being the YouTube platform so that they can upload onto their platform. But silly me, I didn't actually know that all of this content here are being created by people like you and I. And these people make money from this content that they create and publish on YouTube. Okay, just take a look at this guy here now, Joshua Mayo. He happens to be a YouTube content creator in the make money online niche, financial and business need. That's what it covers. Passive income ideas, side hustle ideas, and all of those stuff. That's what he actually covers on his channel. And as you can see, this video he published 6 days ago actually got 88,000 views. That's because he have grown big on YouTube. He have approximately 600,000 subscribers on YouTube. So what I'm trying to tell you in a nutshell now in this tutorial video is how you can actually become a YouTube content creator, because YouTube content creation is actually a business. But some people don't know that this is a business model that you can actually venture into and build a decent and sustainable stream of income out of it for yourself. And I have implemented the strategy of YouTube content creation. I've tried it, I've gotten my own results, and I want to share my own experience with you in this tutorial video. So do not be in much of a hurry, guys. I'll just walk you through all of the basic processes step by step as to how YouTubers make money and how to get started as a YouTube content creator. So guys, before I proceed deeper, where I will show you how to get started as a YouTube content creator, and if possible take you to the back end of my own channel to show you how I've been doing this thing practically, because they say it is better to practice what you preach. So just be with me patiently. My name is Daniel Anthony. Let me quickly introduce myself. What I do on YouTube is that I teach people how to make money online, share tips and strategies that can actually help you grow your online business and succeed faster in the online space. Whatever I implement and I see it's working, and I see it has a very good potentials of succeeding you in the online space or in the online market, I don't hesitate bringing it down to my YouTube channel and discussing it as a topic. So what I'm talking about today is YouTube content creation as a business that you have to take advantage of today. If you're that person that's already getting tired of your 9-to-5 job, or you want to take a new leaf in the hustle line. Okay, so these are all of the videos I've published in time past on my YouTube channel, and as you can see, they are kind of nice and they got a lot of information in them, so you can go through all of them and watch one after the other. So this is YouTube content creation. I happen to be a YouTube content creator, and I believe at least I have 50% of experience that you can harness from and become a YouTube content creator as well. So in order to become a YouTube content creator, first of all, you need to have a YouTube channel. This is my own YouTube channel, and as you can see, it is already established. That's because I've published a lot of content onto this channel already. And I equally have another channel where I haven't done anything much at all. Let me quickly show you that channel so that you see the difference between these two channels, and you will know that hard work is equally required when thinking of becoming a YouTube content creator. So take a look at this other channel. This is a channel that I've already customized, though. It's a channel where I want to be talking about everything YouTube as well. I want to niche down specifically on YouTube SEO and YouTube growth on this particular channel. So this channel have just one video and it got 6 views. That's because this is a brand new channel. Nothing is coming in here already. And if you are to check out my other YouTube channel, you see that it got a lot of content. But for this one now, you see here it got just one content. That's because I'm not yet serious with this particular channel. But this is my main channel where I have been working actively over the years. Is the one that got a lot of videos and is the one I want to use to show you proof today as to how you can become a YouTube content creator. Okay, so still on my channel, In order to become a YouTube content creator, you need to have a channel. Okay, I've shown you two different channels now. This one that got a lot of videos, and the other one that have just one video. So you have to have a YouTube channel. If you come over now to YouTube and you have an email address which you need to actually access YouTube, automatically you have a YouTube channel. So these are all YouTube content creators, and as you can see, these are big YouTube content creators, and they are doing it full time and they are making cool cash from it. So you can get started passively, though you can get started on part-time basis. Maybe after you might have grown and understand how this thing works, you can even quit your job and focus on YouTube full-time, just like me. I focus on YouTube content creation full-time. Though I haven't, grown to that extent that I so much desire, but the level I am at now, I'm very happy and I'll keep on doing this thing. So if you come over now to this corner section here, you're going to find your channel, YouTube studio, switch account, sign out, blah, 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 blah. Then if I'm to quickly hit on switch account, then you find a lot of channels. This is my channel, this is my channel, this is equally another channel that I haven't even looked out on. These are all channels, these are all channels. And I can decide to add accounts if I wish. By so doing, I can create a brand new channel, or I can add another email that will serve as a brand new channel for me. So if you automatically have an email signed in, then you have a YouTube channel. So that's for that. Let me show you what you need to know, or the things you need to put into consideration if you want to start up a YouTube channel. So let me quickly take us to the back end of my YouTube studio of this other channel that has not gotten monetized. So this is actually the other YouTube channel where I want to start publishing content on, YouTube SEO, YouTube content creation, and all of that. So if you come over now to this channel is not yet monetized. So how do you actually make money as a YouTube content creator? Because I know that's what all of you will be looking out for. Hey Daniel, you are advising me now to become a YouTube content creator just like you. How do we make money from it? Yes, I myself am already making money as a YouTube content creator. And teaching you or showing you how to make money as a YouTube content creator, it's not a problem for me. So if I'm to scroll down at this corner section here, scroll down a little bit to this section that says where is it, earn. If I'm to hit on earn, then it's gonna bring me over to the monetization section. Then if I'm to scroll down a little bit, here is where I will know the requirement that is needed of me to become a YouTube monetized creator. So if you see here, how do I actually join? This top corner section here, you say become a partner. Before you can start making money off of YouTube outside maybe brand deals, collabs, influencer promotion deals, and all of those stuffs, the way you actually make the cool cash on YouTube is actually joining the YouTube monetization partner program. That's becoming a partner of the YouTube monetization program. So as you can see here, you can join the YouTube partner program, that's YPP, to earn money, get creator support, and more. So if you scroll down a little bit now to know the requirements, you actually need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hour from your videos to actually join or become a monetized content creator on YouTube. I know this will seem very much impossible to actually attain, or it will seem very much impossible to actually hit or get to, but it is simple and easy. When I actually got started on YouTube, it was like climbing Mountain Everest to me, but today I've climbed it and I'm sitting at the top, monetized. Okay, my main channel is already monetized. So if you watch my content, you see ads running on them. And as you can see, I have over 1,000 subscribers on my other YouTube channel. So this is it. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hour. And after you might have meet up with this requirement, or before you can even meet up with this requirement, you need to create content. You need to publish content. It's very simple. That's how you become a YouTube content creator, by publishing video content. And if I'm to come over now to my other channel, I'm showing you this thing practically because it's better to show you practically than just maybe coming up screen and start blabbing into thin air. I'll show you how I've been doing this thing actively. So let me still come back to content. If you come over now to the content section, you see that they have just one content that I've gotten 6 views. Then there is something called the YouTube analytics. I just want to give you a quick breakdown as to how YouTube content creation works. Then maybe if you want to learn more in detail, you can drop your comment in the comment section below so that we can talk one-on-one. And if possible, we go on a one-on-one mentorship. Okay, so if you come over now to the YouTube analytics actually help you understand everything about the channel. Okay, so if you see here, this channel analytics is very low now. That's because nothing has been happening on this channel. 1 view, 5 view, blah 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 blah, 2 subscribers, 0.3 watch time hour. So this is what I'm actually talking about. This is the watch time hour that you need. This watch time hour now is on 0.3, and you need to be 4,000. And this one now is just 2 subscribers, and we need 1,000. So before you can actually accumulate this subscriber that is needed of you, that's 4,000, and this subscriber that is needed of you, you need to accumulate enough views. And the only way you can actually accumulate enough views that will amount to the 4,000 subscribers and the 1,000 watch time hour that is required of you to become a monetized YouTube content creator is by publishing content. If you come over now to the content section, you see that I have just one content here. And to actually achieve this dream that is needed of you, or should I call it dream, or to actually achieve this milestone that is required of you to become a monetized creator, you need more content. You need more video content. You need to push out more video content to YouTube. Like, you have to bombard them with video content, especially if you're a beginner or if you're a newbie. I'm not actually trying to tell you to put yourself on, a high jump. No. If you can be going 1 video per day, is cool for you. If you can be going 2 video per week, 3 video per week, 1 video per week is cool for you, but depending on how fast you want your growth is what I'm actually looking out for. Still on the analytics section, if you see here now, this is the overview of the analytics, and it can show you the views in the last 48 hours. Then you can come over to content. Then on content is where you know what your viewers are actually looking out for, or what your viewers are searching on, and all of that. Then you have the audience section where you get to see people that are visiting your channel, their geographical location, where they are coming from, and all of that. So based on the fact that this channel is still a young channel, it got very little or no data at the moment. Then you have research. So that's for that. Now I've already shown you what you need to become a YouTube monetized content creator. Then if I'm to come over now to my main channel, where you can actually see a lot of data and statistics, I'll show you what I've been doing on my own at my back end section. That's what I want to show you today. I don't want to blab into the thing. I don't want to show you the fact, like the real thing. You need to know the real deal. Okay, so if you come over now to my content, like I was saying, you actually need enough content. See here, I have content. I think I have up to 286 videos. Yeah, I have 286 video. With 286 video, getting 1,000 subscribers is not a big deal for me. Okay, let me show you proof of what I'm talking about. If I'm to come over to the search across channel section and search on a particular video, there is this video that I published that managed to get a lot of views, this particular video. Then if I'm to open up the details of this video, then I come over to the analytics of this particular video, then you can see that only this video managed to get me 3,500 watch time hour and 1,400 subscribers, and the video got 59,300 views. Just one video. So one video can do the miracle for you. One video can actually do the magic for you. That's why you need to put out enough content. I think I actually blew up with this particular video at about maybe the 10th or the 15th video I actually published on this channel. Yeah, this video took off overnight, and as you can see now, it's just left. If my channel is not monetized, with this video I just need 500 watch time hour to actually get monetized. It have already gotten me 1,400 subscribers, and you know what you need to actually get a channel monetized is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hour. And now this dude here, or this video here, have gotten me 3.5k watch time hour with over 1,000 subscriber. So that's what I'm actually talking about. Before you can get monetized, before you can even start thinking of making money on YouTube, that's what people are not telling you. They'll tell you, I will show you how to get this monetized into. Even if you get monetized on YouTube, you equally need to put out content. Content is the key factor to succeeding on YouTube. Videos, you need videos. Even YouTube themselves, if you join the Creator Academy of YouTube, they will tell you that you need videos. You have to publish content, because content is what they will push out to people to view. And then as people are watching your content, if they are intrigued by your content, or if they like your content, then they'll be forced to maybe subscribe, and even invite their friends to as well subscribe onto your YouTube channel. So guys, if there's anything you still want to know about becoming a YouTube content creator, please drop your comment in the comment section below. I'm just showing you the brief aspect of it. But please take note, you need to acquire some digital skills to actually succeed as a YouTube content creator, like video editing, graphic design. So let me quickly take you over to my channel and show you what I'm talking about when I'm saying that you need to acquire some digital skills before you can become a YouTube content creator. If you take a look at this video now, you see that they have unique thumbnails. Take a look at the cover, the video cover. They are designed. I designed them myself, although I'm not a very good graphic designer, but I'm managing with my little graphic design skills to grow my channel at the moment. Maybe later in the future I'll get more advanced, but at least my graphic design skill is still cool. So if you take a look at this video, as you can see, they have thumbnails, and thumbnail is the key thing that draw people to clicking on your video. So this thumbnail were designed by me, and I use some of the simple design tools like Canva and Inkscape. those are what I use for my thumbnail design. So as you can see, these were all designed by me. You need to acquire graphic design skill to be able to design your thumbnail, and all of this video you are seeing here were all edited by me. I personally edited this video. As you can see, there is a B-roll in the video and some other, write-ups I actually included in the video. So before you can become a successful creator or a successful YouTube content creator, you need to equally go and acquire the skill of video editing. No YouTube content creator lacks the skill of video editing. If you lack the skill of video editing, then you are not yet a YouTube content creator. So you must learn how to edit video. Then the last one, which is supposed to be even be the first one I should have talked about, is actually niching down, picking a niche, being in a specific niche. Niche is category, more like the area of specialization where you talk or where you create content about or where you create content on. As you can see, I am in the make money online niche. Everything I talk about is strictly making money online. Okay, so don't pay for online courses, lifetime earning program, $100 per day, JVisa affiliate marketing, $2,000 plus end with Canva. So everything I talk about on my channel are all make money online. So if you want to become a YouTube content creator, you have to pick a niche. If you want to be talking about health, you want to be talking about wristwatches, you want to be talking about wood work, you want to be talking about health, you want to be talking about real estate, relationship, whatsoever, you must be in a specific niche. So that's for that. Okay guys, I believe here is where I have to quickly wrap up the video. If there's anything you still want to learn about YouTube content creation, please drop your comments in the comment section below. I can help you get started. I can even help you get started in becoming a video editor, graphic designer, and a successful YouTube content creator, because I've done this thing myself. I've tried it myself. I've succeeded with it, and I believe if you work with me, if you pick me as a mentor, you will succeed as well. So guys, until meet again in my next Make Money Online tutorial video, this way I just have to call it a wrap for today. I love you all, but for now I just have to say bye bye and peace.